Aries. This is an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Aries? Kamusta? Ano yung bago? Okay, nakagawa ba ng tamang desisyon last month? Tignan natin kung same energy or may nagbago na. Okay, Aries. This is an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of June. Okay? Ingat sa mga scammer, PM me first for your personal reading. Para sa mga crystals, nakasale pa rin. So, PM me para sa high quality, blessed cleanse, and ritualized crystals by the Enlightened Guide. Aries! Ayaw na, napapagod ng mag-overthink at any situation na maaari magdala sa'yo ng overthinking at stress, dumedetach ka na. Okay, this is a very strong soul connection. Nagdala ng stressful situation, overthinking ang isang love connection sa'yo. But sabi mo, decided ka na mag-detach. Pagod na. Do ina-acknowledge mo na very strong soul connection to? Okay? Na sabihin natin destined ang pagkikita nyo. But nagkaroon ng manifestation sa'yo na kung hindi naman maaayos to, you really have to walk away. Okay? And especially dun sa mga nagkaroon ng third party connection here. Okay? Sabi ng mga Aries, kung ito ay hindi naman totoong commitment at may nai-involve na ibang connections, it's really time to walk away. Okay? In the past, nagkaroon ng offer pangako, but it doesn't feel na totoo. It doesn't feel na this is more about passion. This is more about the romance side of the relationship. But yung totoong pangako na may kasamang sacrifices and meeting each other halfway and considering each other's feelings, hindi ko itong masyadong maramdaman. This is more about the chemistry, paghanga, the fire, okay? More of the lustful connection, hindi yung love na may harmony. Okay? Most of the time kapag karmic, no, very passionate, very fiery, very, yun. Okay, ang hirap iwanan, ang hirap mag-walk away from a very toxic. Diba? Ganun yun eh. Pag okay sa bedroom, diba? Kahit alam mong hindi naman favorable sa'yo yung situation, ang hirap kalimutan. Ganun. So, nagkaroon ng paulit-ulit na reconnection, reconciliation, nagkaroon ng pag-uusap, pero every time na lang na nag-uusap kayo, mas nagdadala ng confusion. Okay? Walang linaw, walang solid plans. Sabi ng masculine, mangangako, magpa-promise, mag-apologize, para mag-rebuild ulit ng relationship. I feel ginawa nyo naman lahat ng kaya, pero yung best effort na yon ay nagdala pa rin ng broken heart, disappointment. Pero kahit ang toxic nyo together, hindi pa tapos ang boxing. Mag-uusap pa kayo, okay? I feel, sabi ng mga Aries, gusto niya ng new beginning, but every time na lang na you're trying to step, no, out of the door, parang biglang, tama ba to? In love ako eh. Iba siya, iba yung connection. Diba? Never felt this toxic connection before. So addicting. Ganon. Diba? Ganyan yung mga nakaka-addict eh. Diba? Kaya nga sabi, be very careful, no? But actually, this should be a very healthy soul connection, but I don't know kung ano yung mga hindi nagawang personal transformation, bakit kayo naging toxic together, okay? Bakit hindi ready for this soul connection? So, in the past, nagkaroon ng like pagbabalikan, reconnection, hindi nagkaroon ng maayos at clear na pag-uusap na nagkaroon na naman ng conflict sa inyong dalawa, okay? To find harmony and balance in relationship and to heal your heart chakra, Madagascar Rose Quartz. Okay? Mental clarity and stronger connection with the divine, Amethyst Crystal. Recent past, napagod nang makipag-usap. Sabi mo, you wanna step back at i-analyze mo na ang mga usap-usapan. Napapagod ka na rin. Nagdala ng maraming overthinking tong connection na to. Hanggang ngayon, actually. Marami ka pa rin tanong. So, meron kang prayers and manifestation. Sabi mo, Lord, tulungan ka sa mga pagpaplano mo sa buhay mo. Not just love, but also sa career. Humihingi ka ng sign kay God. Kung ano yung mga connections and career na itutuloy mo, alin yung iiwanan. Because sabi mo, kung ano yung mga pinagdadaanan mo right now, parang tinatamaan yung drive mo or yung self-worth or yung motivation mo towards your success. Okay? Kung ano man. Parang nadi-discourage ka recently. Right now, para sa mga Aries, tinatawag ka ng malaking personal transformation. Matagal mo na to dapat ginawa. But sabi ng angels, you really have to do this. Whatever you're manifesting, this is like a great collapse ng malaking portion ng buhay mo and for you to rebuild. Kung ano man. Kung ano daw yung nakagawian mo, relationship, patterns in dating, the way you keep relationship, malaking transformation para sa'yo. Okay? If, sabi ni God, you're manifesting abundance, gibain natin yan. Make room. Make room kung ano yung para sa'yo. If you're manifesting a healthy love connection, gibain niyang relationship na yan at bibigyan ka ng bago. Okay? Your person, marami siyang gustong sabihin sa'yo. I feel meron din mga disappointments, especially sa side ng feminine. At marami siyang gustong sabihin, i-express mga bagay na, mga resentment. Okay? But I feel, yung masculine dito, I feel may confusion sa dalawang feminine. So, i-real talk ng official partner or kung sino man yung isang feminine na ready to have this conversation. Sasabihin niya na kung ano man yung confusion ng masculine, parang gusto nang tanggalin ng feminine ang sarili niya sa equation. Okay? Naguguluhan siya. So, may fear and doubt yung feminine kung makakapili or like, not really makakapili eh. Ayaw nga nung feminine na ilagay siya sa option card eh. Na parang, kung confused ka, sabi ng feminine, aalis na lang siya. Okay? Sabi din ng masculine, ready ba talaga siyang mag-commit at pumili na. Until the end of August, I feel may tatapusin talagang relationship. Someone would feel betrayed. Someone would feel really, really hurt sa relationship na to. Someone then, because may option here, someone would feel betrayed, but someone would receive a good news. The masculine, or kung sino man yung nagkakaroon ng options here, ay gagawin ang tama for this connection. Someone would really kailangan na mag-decide kung sino talaga yung happiness niya. May nakikita akong conflict here, okay? To ground your energy, Madagascar, Black Tourmaline. If you're manifesting abundance, the Brazilian Citrine, the Yellow Crystal. Meron din tayong combination ng love and money, okay? You might be dealing with Libra, Leo, Scorpio. So there. So yun lang. Until the end of August, I feel someone would feel really, really betrayed. Pero kasi kapag may option sa relationship, meron talagang masasaktan. And nararamdaman din ng masculine pag hindi siya gumawa ng move anytime soon, maaaring mawala sa kanya yung dalawang feminine na to. Okay? There's a Leo energy also here. But pag ito pinatagal pa ng masculine, the masculine would definitely lose both feminine. Masakit kaya yon kahit ikaw yung piliin, alam mong ginawa kang option. So, any more clarification sa outcome? Ingat sa scammers. If you're ready to have your personal reading, just send me a direct message. Magkakaroon ako ng promo, mag-a-announce ako. Okay, sasabihin ng official partner, kung gagawin na lang siyang option, natatakot siya na baka maulit lang to in the future. I feel pag-iisipang mabuti ng feminine to. Kasi hindi naman talaga maganda sa, na foundation ng relationship na ginawa kang options. Umpisa pa lang. Para doon sa mga nasa relationship na I feel the trust is already broken at hindi ganun kadali na i-rebuild at ibalik ang tiwala sa relationship na to. Alright? So, pag-usapang mabuti and I pray na magkaroon pa at makaya pang i-fix yung relationship na to. Okay? And that would be the Aries reading for the month of June. Again, ingat sa mga scammers, sa mga nagme-message sa inyo, PM me if in doubt. At PM me para sa mga crystals, on sale pa rin ang ating mga crystals. Okay? Bye-bye, Aries!